Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can access and check the edit history for your most recent edits and changes on GanttPro, for example, to your tasks, subtasks, milestones, and projects. So let us dive into this. So navigate to GanttPro, log into your account and select your project first here on the top left by clicking into this folder button on the left sidebar. Let me go with that test project here. So what you want to do next? Well, that's not the best example because that project doesn't feature too many tasks. So let me go to the other project. So here guys, what you want to do next is click into that button on the top right next to the settings button to access the list of changes and edits that have been made recently here for your project. So that's your project history. And you can go through that list here, for instance, and for instance navigate to it by clicking into it and restore the given version by clicking into this button. And that's basically it. If you'd like, for example, restore that version or from yesterday, December 21st, simply click into it and select restore this version to restore it. And that's it. Now let me close the project history because I would like to keep the current version, but that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.